Let's discuss the concept of working directory. Working directory is the location or default path in CREO where all files are saved. Selecting working directory, this is the first step to start the working in CREO. This is like to select the project folder. Let's create a new folder. Select the folder as working directory. Let's create a simple model. As of now, our main focus is on working directory. Please ignore these steps. Go to File and click on New File, then click OK. Now new part is created. Now click on Save button to save the file. This part will be saved in working directory. If we make changes in part and save again, CREO will save each version. Let's close the file. Let's check the all saved file version in CREO. Click on Open button to see the all version of saved file. Go to the Tools option in the pull-down menu and select All Version option to show the all version of files. To delete old version of files, go to File, then click on Manage File. In the sub-option, select Delete Old Versions. This will keep the latest version in working directory and delete all old version files.